Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the launch and also the opening ceremony for today's Smart Manufacturing SEMICON 2026.
Today we have Linko technology, creating nanotechnologies, Harbor Precision, Canton Nano, Chibian Machine, Taiwan Precise Technique, our technology, Syntech Technology, and last but not least, Bossman.
Welcome all of you to attend this Taiwan Pavilion. Taiwan and Malaysia's relationship is closer. We hope through this event we can create more synergies between Malaysian companies and Taiwanese companies.
From TIA's perspective, our member play an important role in the global semiconductor supply chain, particularly in advanced packaging and equipment manufacture.
When you think of SEMICON, the first country that comes to your mind is Taiwan, definitely.
I think Taiwan is a country where they started from electronics and then they move on to the rest of the world.
So I think we can learn more to bring experts from Taiwan to help Malaysian in the AI in the manufacturing also.
I think they're doing very good right now because there's always companies that come to our university to promote their company. So I think it's a hot spot for semiconductor.
透过整个组织的帮忙，能够获得很多的买家的一个谈判机会。
可以透过这次的活动，可以展现台湾厂商的科技能力，
让我的产品在马来西亚再继续把它发散出去，然后获得更多的客户认可。
这10天的展会的学到很多，我们如何跟我们的供应商、跟我们的设备厂扮演一个钣金的 total solution， 这是我们在努力的。
能有这样的平台，那可以认识更多的台湾的供应商。还有我们的马来西亚的客户，
也希望说通过这样子的一个平台，让马来西亚跟台湾的厂商可以在这个区域帮助我们的客户有更多的 solution。
也希望透过这次活动的加成，能够大家可以去促进更多的商机跟机会。